In today's video, let's see the recent maritime accidents. All of Innisfree collides with port structures at Fishguard, UK. On December 20, 2024, the Irish Ferries vessel Isle of Innisfree collided with port structures at Fishguard Port in the UK, causing significant concern among passengers and port authorities. The incident resulted in a hole in the hull, minor damage to port structures, and no environmental hazards or fuel spills. Irish Ferries is cooperating with authorities to investigate the incident. Comoros-flagged container ship Amna capsizes at Ambarli Port. The Comoros-flagged container ship Amna capsized at Ambarli Port in Turkey on December 23, 2024, due to improper loading and inadequate ballast management. All 15 crew members were evacuated, with 10 rescued by emergency teams and 5 swimming to safety. Authorities deployed a floating barrier to contain pollution, and efforts are underway to determine the cause of the incident. Collision at Kupang anchorage, general cargo vessel Kuala MAS and product tanker Maritime Kachalistoa. On December 21, 2024, the Kuala MAS collided with the Maritime Kachalistoa at anchor near Kupang, Indonesia. The collision caused a hole in the hull, causing the vessel to list 10 degrees to its starboard side. The crew tried to contain the flooding but decided to ground the vessel. The Kuala MAS capsized and sank, with some cargo drifting away and others sinking to the seabed. 14 crew members of Russian vessel Ursa Major rescued and transferred to Cartagena. On December 23, 2024, 14 Russian merchant vessel Ursa Major crew members were rescued and transferred to the port of Cartagena, Spain, after an explosion in its engine room while sailing near Gibraltar. The incident raised maritime safety concerns and potential acts of terrorism, according to the vessel's owner. Dry bulk carrier Makoa stranded on St. Lawrence River. The dry bulk carrier Makoa, carrying iron ore, ran aground on the St. Lawrence River on December 24, 2024. Despite crew efforts, the vessel is currently immobile, awaiting specialized tugs and salvage teams. Authorities are monitoring the situation to prevent environmental impact and potential fuel leaks.